There, now it's recording.
Verify visibility on data logger, indicating sensors are collecting and recording data for payload.
We'll do that when we power in the data logger when we put the lid on. So we got to revisit that one. So mark that one to revisit.
And then
plug in USB power cable for the 360 camera into main power battery pack.
Right here.
Power in the 360 cam, and it should automatically turn on. Other way.
Oh, there's Bonanza.
Yeah, that way.
I'm fine. Where is it? I know where.
Got it.
Okay. Now, here's the 360.
There we go. 360.
So
That's it.
it's charging, but it's not on.
Go on. It's probably dead.
No, it's the button's on the side here. It's kind of hard to hit.
You want tiny fingers? It's on. I got the fingers.
I think it came on.
There it is. Yeah.
Yay!
There it is.
Mine is bigger, I think. Your hand?
Okay. The 360 is now recording.
Yours is bigger.
Okay.
My pinky is so small.
Okay, what next?
Technically, don't turn down for it. Start recording that 360. Notify the flight CDO is ready to launch.
Okay, so flight is Brian. He's our SPL.
And notify the Capcom to prepare the payload.
So that's the next team. So the item that you got to note, Brian, is make sure we power on that data logger and it starts recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have two things to revisit.
Can I borrow the pen?
Fantastic. Here. Here's your. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, cameras and data.
It says two things to revisit.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Can you turn on the power? These lights here. There's a little switch here. They flip up.
Okay.
Flick and flip.
It'll light the interior of the payload once it's sealed up.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you. I think I might be the only Capcom.
You're the only Capcom guy. Well, we have the coolest job.
Potatoes.
Okay, so who was radios at the troop meeting? Anybody else?
Technically me.
All right. So you're going to do all the fun stuff then.
Great.
So basically,
You'll be the doer. Brian can be the checker.
Yeah. And then that technically eliminates one step at the end. Alright.
So basically, you make the Mega Man, Street Fighter, Resident Evil,
to
and
antennas. They're already connected. We've already tested them. Tracker batteries are on holder and secured. Yep.
It's here.
Okay. Connect tracker batteries to trackers, powering them on using the sequence. Power primary. Oh, so now we get to actually plug them in now.
Yeah. So this, let's see here. This tracker plugs into that one, and we're going to use a USB cable for that one.
Okay. Because that one's more complicated. Wait 3 seconds and then check for update, I'm guessing.
Yep. Oop, hold on, I gotta it's looped in here. Hold on, just a second.
it's snooped.
It's snooped. We don't want stuff to be caught. What is going on?
Where's the parachute?
It's on the ground here.
Power on backup. Let's give them a minute.
You are doing a good job.
All right. Okay.
I'm searching for 11 right now.
I'm standing here watching.
We can power on backup while we wait. Power backup, connecting to main battery.
Probably heart of the sea.
Okay, I got a message from it. Okay.
We got it.
All right.
Heart of the sea.
Cool.
And then back up. So I got to get a power cable for it.
Why do the people?
Potato missing.
Why do the people know what they're doing? I don't know how to launch a bomb. Don't worry.
Oh yeah, this and the water bottle are currently the same thing because they can both explode.
Aha.
Wasn't being used.
Sir, step away from the ball.
How come it doesn't burn?
Sir,
Wait,
step
does
away
it go
from
through
the
the
Consider.
It goes all the way up to 100,000 feet.
No, it wasn't plugged in.
Would you consider, Ryan? Would you consider this Nerf rifle bullets?
Oh, okay.
I think they normally float.
Both technically.
I see.
Technically, the
Hey, what's this note in here?
Let me grab another one after this.
Missy, have you seen me?
No.
Okay.
Just put the potato back.
Yeah, that's our potato.
It's our.
We should tape that in there.
Yes.
Maybe
So that
they'll
we
think
can see
that
it.
it was a message, a secret
We should put it
message.
to the side so it's
We
not
should put it like right here. So it's right in front of the
so we
camera.
can still see the
Potato.
Okay.
Have you seen me before?
I'm gonna get this cable set up here to power this tractor. All right. And then I'll let you plug it in.
I also made my midway
You
low.
replace check marks with slashes, but you replace
Do you think I should put another circle? So
No, I don't like that. I do not.
never.
Do you think the Nerf rifle bullets will float or no?
That's the hope.
Floating
Okay.
Nerf rifle bullets.
Think anything will explode?
No.
That's the hope.
Okay.
I doubt it.
You want to plug that in? Get that powered up.
What is the water bottle for?
Can we plug it into this one?
The water should boil off at a high altitude. It'll
So you
evaporate
want me
up.
to plug it into
Cool.
Yep. You go ahead and plug it in.
Why you put some erasers in there?
Okay. He powered on the other tractor.
So can I get some tape so we can tape the? Have you seen this potato before?
Tape.
Okay. Well, I just got a status message from it.
I'm giving
it's
it a minute.
working.
Or we
to check
shouldn't
that
do that
updates
so
on
that
here.
it can be a floating Mr. Potato sign.
Okay. Let's keep running the checklist.
Wait, why did you put it out of the container?
And then once they're recorded,
most-
monitor.
It's the bestest thing in the thing.
I need to
then
somehow rep
wait
this.
for
Okay.
flight control stuff.
So your flight.
Here.
So
We
okay.
are good
So
so far.
double check everything. Trackers are on. Cameras are recording. Cameras are recording.
Need to get potato in there.
Okay. You want to plug in this data logger here? Because we're gonna put the lid on and get this sealed up.
I'm not getting
Wait,
a pin
throw potato in
control
now.
online.
We need potato missing package.
I need the potato.
We are going to put tape on it.
No, we're not gonna take it.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Just some random person
Okay.
who finds
Go
a
ahead.
payload.
Go ahead and plug it in there in that last slot.
What is this for?
What is this?
That's the 360 cam.
I'm not getting a pin control online.
Try it the other way. Turn it.
Okay, repeat.
There we go. Okay. And if you give a visual here, you can see the lights came on.
Yep.
And
And if you drop it, we all die.
it's blinking, so it's writing data.
Okay.
So it's working.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Online, I'm getting nothing.
Okay. Are we good?
You got it with your life.
All
I'm
right.
not getting an update for 12. Last update was 38.
Hey, careful, please.
This thing is your parachute.
Watch, 11 is going to fail halfway through, and then we're
Start it with your light.
chasing it.
No, it's just like we're chasing it and then roll the
All right.
And then the second you find it,
And now
you
we're
see
on
it
the flight
slowly
check.
drifting out of the ocean.
There. It's sent. They're both working.
And then
Okay, so let's get this sealed up.
so now it's the flight check.
Oh, like
Yep, flight.
That's me.
And where's my tape? Where's my duct tape?
Wait, we're done?
Oh, over there.
I need my duct tape, guys. Gorilla tape.
Yeah. No, it's
Let me make sure nothing's tangled.
I think it's tangled.
Well, let's hang on this. We still have to attach these. Plate stuff.
Why are you playing frisbee with
About miles.
Why do I really actually fly? I fear my fire. Stop being so bad.
For many reasons, right? So the trouble is we don't have a huge printer. Yeah. That's one part.